have your New Year resolution with you? Open it right now. Do you know why each year you write down your New Year resolutions? It's simply because of what it promises. Many people believe that when they write down the New Year resolutions, by the end of the same year, they will have accomplished whatever it is written down. But according to research, only 8% of people actually get to accomplish what they've written down. Now, don't be scared, because New Year resolutions add some things that actually hinders the success, and I'll be telling you what those are later on in this video. But better yet, I'm here with alternatives that instead of your New Year resolutions, when you get to do these same things, you will accomplish whatever it is you want for this year. Isn't that exciting? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Elizabeth Opero. It doesn't work because New Year resolutions have procrastination built into them, and they are more likely to be unrealistic. If you want to know more, watch this video right here on why New Year resolution doesn't work. The first alternative for you is that you should embark on a 30 days challenge, which is a 1 month challenge, a 90 days challenge, and 1 year challenge. Now, trying to keep one behavior for one entire year seems very difficult, but when you break that into just 30 days, it seems more manageable. And what that does is it makes you feel less pressure, and when you feel less pressure, you're actually able to put more time into it, because now you know, okay, this goal I have to accomplish it within a 30 days frame. And so you're able to put more power, you're able to put more of your resources into making sure that you accomplish that. And when you do a 30 days challenge for one particular goal, throughout the course of 12 months, you've actually accomplished 12 goals. That is 12 of your New Year resolutions have been met. How awesome is that? Alternative I'll be giving you is to develop a mantra. It has become more and more common for people to choose one word or a phrase to describe their actions for throughout the year. Now, this word or phrase are things that they could say to inspire themselves, to remind them to do something, to remind them to channel their resources towards something. So if you're someone that one of your New Year resolutions is to cut down on your spending, how do you cut down your spending? Do this alternative instead. Give yourself a one-word phrase, and that is, each month I'm going to save 50% of my resources. So you tell yourself that each month. So each month, automatically, you know, I'm saving 50% of your resources. And how does that relate to your New Year resolution? In your New Year resolution, you said you're going to cut down your spending, and your mantra is saving 50% of what you've gotten. Indirectly, that has been accomplished. Now, if you're someone that you're inspired by your accomplishments, you're inspired by your achievements, or there are certain things you want to experience but you never go through with them, then this alternative is for you. Create a bucket list. I know how it sounds, and no, not only people at their end of life get to write a bucket list. You could write a bucket list for the year. It could be write a book, run a marathon, go camping, go for a parade. It could be anything, but write down a bucket list. And what a bucket list does, even from the word bucket list, it makes it sound more fun, more energetic. When you hear a New Year resolution, you feel pressure that, oh, I have to accomplish this thing, I have to work at this thing. But when you hear a bucket list, it's telling you that, oh, I'm going to have fun, I'm going to go for this. The next alternative to New Year resolution is for you to actually engage in self-reflection. And why I love this and I actually do this, reflection is an act of giving serious thought to your actions, your thoughts, your motives, your desires. Now, some things that will help you engage in self-reflection is keep a journal. It's because self-reflection gives you a mirror back on your actions, your thought patterns, what they are, and why you want to accomplish something. So it gives you more substance, and it gives you more in-depth to whatever it is you're going through. Another alternative to the New Year resolution is for you to reboot one area of your life. Most of the time when people do New Year resolution, they want to shut all of their life and then they want to bring out a new life. But when you reboot one aspect of your life after the other, watch this video here because I explain all the aspects to life. When you reboot one life, you're actually able to put out your focus on each and every one goal, and you end up accomplishing much more than when you just throw your resources into everything at the same time. The next alternative is for you to do something called a hope list. Now, a hope list are things you look forward to the next year. You're writing them out in a negative way, you're writing them out in a positive way, and anytime you look at that, it gives you energy, it gives you hope, it just gives you a oomph for you to continue on whatever it is you're doing. So make sure that you create a hope list. The next alternative, for instead of you doing new year resolutions, try this instead, is for you to think about why you want to accomplish that goal. Thinking about why you want to accomplish that goal will actually go a long way to making sure that you actually do it, or for you to realize that that goal is actually not important enough, or that goal isn't something you actually want done, and for you to put your energy into something else. So it helps you prioritize, and it helps you re-energize and re-strategize. Let me know in the comment section which of these alternatives are your favorite, which one you're going to be putting in place, and which one you're going to be trying out. To watch this video here and this video here on how to properly set a goal and on why resolutions don't work. I've said a blog, it's Just Conversation, www.justopero.com. Here's the link. So make sure you check that out, and then you'll find more resources on not just this topic I've spoken about, but on many more topics to make sure that you're living fulfilled, living content, living happy. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you also head on to my Facebook page at Elizabeth Oborameka. The link is down here. And sign up there. Remember, I upload videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays, so make sure you subscribe and you ring the bell so that anytime I upload videos, you'll be the first to be notified. It's really a pleasure. Remember, stay happy, stay content, and keep working on attaining that goal. Okay guys, till the next video, remember